back today with another awesome giveaway. I can say giveaway because ordinarily, if you want to get a trading plan, you always have to go and meet your mentor. Probably your mentor will charge you some token and they give it to you. But today here, I'm going to release a free trading plan for Boom&Crash or all synthetic traders, because I've been backtesting this for over 3 to 4 months now, because I'm trying to create a trading plan for my student, because I'm having a mentorship very soon, and part of the requirement that I'm giving to my client, trading plan is part of it. I'm giving them a trading plan. So the trading plan will help them achieve success in their trading career. And whoever subscribes to that training is have access to all our VIP content except the group, because the group is mentally scheduled basis. So it's different. You can be in the two, you can be in anyone you want. And you can still be in our free group, because we force signals there. A lot of people make money from our free group. Just somebody told me he doubled his account in 24 hours with our free signal. So AGF is always here to give you value. So what I'm going to discuss today is that I'm going to talk to you about what I called 3-step simple trading plan system for your trading career. 3-step simple trading plan system. So what is trading plan? Initially, trading plan is a trading plan are set of rules and conditions governed by you when executing your trading decision in your live account. Remember, in your live account, because you are trading demo, if you even come near me and ask me to give you my trading plan that you want to go and use it to trade demo, I will not even have your time. I'm sorry, because I give my trading plan to serious traders, those that are ready to invest their money in trading. So that's why sometimes even if I want to help, as far as you don't have any real account, I cannot be wasting my time on some people that don't even have real account. That's just the problem here. I'm not saying I'm not going to teach. I'm going to teach everyone for free. That's why that channel is absolutely free for everyone to access. You can access us globally, and it's absolutely free of charge. So let's go. The trading plan have only 3 simple steps. Before I continue talking about these steps, let me just talk more about our Telegram group. This is my VIP group where I drop signal for my VIP special VIP members. Whoever is in my VIP is very, very special to me. This is why I post signals, news, updates, anything you need to know that has to do with financial market that very day. I will give you full update. The update that I'm going to give you, even if you open Bloomberg TV and watch, you cannot get all those updates together, because I have more than 5 live premium financial market update sources. And I'm at home with my DSTV. They watch Bloomberg. I watch Bloomberg. I watch CBN, CNBC. So I always, anytime I give you signal, I will make sure I follow up the signal, tidy up the signal, give you the update. So far today, we have gotten only one TP hit, and we close another position. Let's see how much we have made so far today with these two. I think with just 2 signals. Forex signals are already going on. GBP USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, S&P 500. Okay, this is Boom 1000, the current market I'm in right now. I'm waiting for the market to hit TP for me, and I'm not going to close it till it hit TP. Yeah, this blue line where I draw is telling you that if the market anytime from now till next 2 to 3 weeks, as far as the market did not break below this downward trend line, I will not buy. And as far as it did not break below, so that's just it. So these are all our today's signals. See? Let's see which one will hit TP. Okay. This one, boom. Okay, boom 500. Boom 500 hit TP. That's cool. It captured, is it 30 to 40 candles? I think 40 pips. Sorry. Okay, this is our last update. We have traded Boom 500, which hit TP, and Boom 1000 when the market went against us. So when it's retracing, I captured the first retracement of almost 30 to 25 pips. So that's just it. So this is AGA Forex. Our VIP members almost reached 51. So nice to see you here. And whoever want to join our VIP or mentorship, he can contact my support manager anytime. My support manager is always there to help and coordinate things for you. So let's go. This signal, we entered it here. We enter it here based on our. Sorry, I'm back to our what we are doing here now. I'm back to my strategy called or titled the Magic Boom strategy, because that's the strategy we are going to use for this thing. What is I touched? Let me just delete it. That's the strategy we are going to use for this trading plan. That's the strategy we are going to use. This is why I entered the market. This is why I entered the market. Look at it here. After we get our confirmation, though I entered late, I will have not been lost. You see, I entered here, and this is where I'm supposed to enter immediately after this thing cross here. So I entered late because I was up to something to figure, because I'm trying to make this video for you to coordinate things. But still, we are still going down. So the market go against us here, and this is why I captured that 25 pips from this point. Look at it here. From this point to this point. So had it been I hold this point, I bought it at here, or I hold it from this point, I enter it reach even here where this one is minus. I will closed it. But me, I want this one to hit TP because I'm giving signals for my client, and most of them are busy. So when they place signal, they'll put their stop loss, take profit, and everything. They will just continue their work on anything. So there's too much trust us. That's why they always subscribe to our signal. This is. So let's go again. Continue. And just now, before I started this video, the market was here. See, it was even giving. See the profit. Even last update profit. Look at it. $52, which our TP is 10,900. So we're waiting for the market to hit TP. It just spiked, but I know it will spike because that market reached a spiked zone. Sometimes if I give signal, I do tell client to close profit and wait, because market is approaching a spiked zone. Am I making sense? Good. Okay, so let's go. From this point, you see the market started retracing. It was around minus something dollar before. So let me show you. So you see, based on the strategy we are going to use, let me show you let me tell you the conditions for the trading plan. The trading plan consists of just 3 conditions. Number 1, trend with the trend. Number 2, trade with an area of value. And number 3, that's the last one, make sure you tally your decision based on scenarios according to those 2 factors. What I mean by that, first of all, when you just open your chart, assuming, let me show you what I did today. Let me just show you. Let me show you the same procedure I use my trading plan, because I tell you the rules for the trading plan, because I'm not going to give you my own personal trading plan for now. Even sell, I cannot sell out my personal trading plan, but probably I may do that later, but for now, no. So what I mean by have a trading plan is that you should have a set of rules that if those rules are not completed, no matter who give you signal, even that signal come from heaven, you will not take it. Astaghfirullah. Whoever is a Muslim, you know why I say this. So I don't know whether I made mistake also, but at least I said God will not hold me responsible. So try to understand what I'm saying. What I'm saying here is that no matter the quality of signal you get, as far as you are not obeying and respecting your trading rules, you will never make a consistent profit in trading. I'm sorry, this word may sound hot to you, but it's a bitter truth. I'm trying to help struggling traders, so I have to tell you this. Other people there outside, they cannot tell you all this. I was chatting with one guy yesterday. I was giving him some advice. I say, I don't want you to buy anything from AGA, but I'm just advising you based on these confluences. So whatever you are doing as a trader, always try and make sure you have set of rules for everything you are doing. If you have set of rules for your trading, you are good to go. Fine. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you what I did today. As I just wake up, I just checked this chart. I did my top down, because me, if I want to do my own personal top down analysis with respect to my own trading system and strategy, every day since I'm a day trader, daily chart is my reference higher time frame. I reference my decision with daily chart, or I should say I'll use my daily chart for analysis. Look at it here. You see all these bearish candles, even though the market got a rejection from this point. Look at it. Let me show you something. Even though this market got a rejection from this point, you see, look at it here. Even though this market got a rejection from this point, because it's a breakout retest, continue, and it's come down again and retest this area for the second time, telling you that probably if this market retest this one, it will be a double bottom and the market needs to come down. That's the exact scenario I just told my mind based on my analysis and my decision, and I did that in just 2 minutes. I finished that. I come down to my 4 hours chart. I asked myself, what am I seeing here? By then I was seeing this rejection from this green candle. For you to see candle reject something like this towards a resistance, my brother, you should know what you should do now. You are not a learner. You should know what you should do. You should know what you will do. And besides, the price is still below my 50 moving average, which is the reference trend line for this strategy. How about you don't have problem? So just check your 1 hour chart as well. You see, look at it here. You have seen it. So you still enter. So as you make, and what makes me to even enter the trade, the market was here. Here. I'm coming. Look at it here. Sorry, let me just use the arrow. This one is not even good for me. Sorry, I'm using iPhone to do this, so that was the reason sometimes I have to use 2 phones just to make things clear to you for you. So you see, look at it here. So at this point, the market has crossed, but it seems like it's supporting it here, but it's just for the short time, because this is 15-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart. So for the meantime, the market will support it here, but continuously, the market need to do something about it, definitely. So look at it here. Just 1 minute chart, the market has started going down. But what happened when the market, let me delete this and put another down because it sounds big here. What market did was, when the market look at it, you see the market is here. So this is why we take another position to capture some $30, $35. So you see, the market has already broken below this low, this one. This is the swing low, and the market can't break below it. Just that it spiked up, but it did not break the previous swing high, which is this one. So the market have the high tendency of continue to come down with the trend, and that's why I'm holding this position. If you look at it, and you see, it's even in profit now. Is exactly in profit, and this is live and direct. Live 19 minutes to 3 Nigerian time. So please, All this, and I'm telling you, I'm not just telling you something that I'm not backtest. Whatever I bring out here for you, whatever I show you up here, I must have backtested probably more than 500 to 1,000 times. I love backtesting. That was the reason I teach my wife how to trade. Sometimes I don't want to backtest something, I'll give her. She'll make more than 2,000 entries for me in 2 to 3 weeks. So I need to backtest something before I give it to you. I'm not like all those traders that will give you shit without verifying it. Some will even ask you to go live. No, there are some places that I can ask you to go live instantly, but what you should understand is that there are some limitations to everything. This is trading, this is your money, this is your hard-earned money you're trying to invest. So you have to make some certain conditions meet for your own trading system or for your own trading plan to execute before you make. Like now, the first scenario on this condition for I'm using to enter this market. Number one, that means it's in an uptrend. When this price cross, let me show you what I mean with what this price close this point. If this price now, this is what this black one is the 200 moving. Sorry, it's not 200. I don't want to say the settings because I promise I'm not going to release the setting yet. Yeah, this is one of my personal strategy. So for you to get it, you have to add value to it. That's just it. So that's why I say it's even only for my BIP members. And even my BIP members, I'm yet to give it out to them because I'm making some adjustment that will tell you their level. So if you want this strategy, you can contact my support manager, join our VIP member very soon. Any moment from now, I'll release this strategy to them. This is a money-making machine, magic bomb strategy from AGA Forex, live and direct. See, this market is still going from $3 to $7. And I'm very sure if I allow this market now to be going, even if the market will, even if I'll forget my account till next day, this market can never blow my account because my equity is 6,000 and I'm just using 2.5. But if it is someone who would say, "Cha, I will use 5 lots, 10 lots." Some people can even use 50 lots. That's not how to trade. You have to obey those rules. Those rules must be obeyed. If you don't obey those rules, my brother, you can fund your account 200 times every day and you still blow those accounts. You still blow those accounts, and I'm telling you from experience, because I've gotten a lot. There is one of my client in Port Harcourt. Sometimes he funded 1.8 million naira, and he blew that account the same day trading gold. And I asked him not to trade gold, and he did it, and he blew his account. So sometimes the reason why you need mentorship, let me just talk about this for just a minute. I'm not saying this because I want you to join our mentorship training. No, it's not by purpose. That one is for those that need, they can add value to themselves with respect to trading. We have a special VIP mentorship, free mentorship for those other clients coming up immediately after we finish our mentorship. But that one, we may not even have time to settle on that one, especially when more clients are joining today. So the earlier, the better. So the reason why I insist on you to have a mentor is that sometimes for you to get for you to get some good information you need to get at the right time, you need to have a mentor. It's your mentor that will guide you, tell you, your mentor has passed through your level. Meanwhile, you are still below his level. And everybody can testify to that. And if you definitely obey him and obey the conditions and the set of rules he will assign to you, you will definitely be successful. There is no doubt about it. Sure deal. So that's just it. So number one is trade with the trend. That's the first condition for the trading plan. Number two is trade with an area of value. Number three, try and trade with a likely scenario, with a very good high quality likely scenario with those two conditions mentioned earlier. So let me show you what I mean. This one now, let's assume, let me use 5 minute chart. I'll analyze it better. Let me use 5 minute chart. So you will understand why I even take this trade. And you will know that why I did not even close it. You see, this market is forming a double bottom here. Look at it. Double top or double bottom. Let me delete this so that it will not hold me. I want to finish this thing on time. I don't want this video to be very long. This is it. This is the first condition that make me to even sell this market. This is the first top, second top, third top, and they have not crossed, clearly break out from each other. You see, this one is just like normal first breakout, retest, come back. This one is a normal first breakout and market come back, and it comes and started trading below this black moving average, which is the trend following indicator on this chart. Any other indicator on this chart is related to this first indicator. That's why I tell you the settings is complex, and I cannot give the value, this valuable content, I cannot give it out for free, only for VIP members. So that's just it. So since this market make a double, triple bottom, there is high tendency that this market can even reach up to this point. Let me show you. The market can reach up to this point. Up to this point. Up to this point. Because it's the nearest area of value for this market, strong area of value, because this is where the market break out. After the breakout retest here, let me show you. This is where this is it. This is where the market break out here, and it retests here, and it continue going off here. So the market has not retested this area since the breakout. After this first retest, so the market need to come and make a second retest so that it will form a double bottom for the market to continue going upward. That's how to analyze the market. The market surely need to come. Let me check. Let me put another this thing here. Look at it here. This one. The market really need to come down up to this level to retest it, because this is the first resistance. Look at it. This is the first resistance, and it was broken. You see, it's broken. It was broken here, and this market retested this point for the first time here, and it continued going off. Impulsive move, corrective move, impulsive move. Then it started forming double, triple top here. So after the triple top, the market is telling you that anytime market form is a reasonable double top or a reasonable triple top in a strong uptrend, that market want a fullback. That market want to make a fullback. And majorly it's always a deep pullback because the market has produced a strong confirmation, a strong candlestick pattern confirmation or chart pattern. Okay, this is a chart pattern. Double top and triple top are chart patterns. So all those things, those that join our BIP will know about it. And if you join our mentorship training, you will never buy signal again. It's not that we will stop giving you signal, but from then you have become a signal provider where you can analyze market yourself and give people out signal. So probably from there you will open your own Telegram channel, start to give value to people. That's just it. You start, if you give value to people, they'll give you more money in return. That's just the simple rule. So always try and give value to people. That value is, make sure anything you are giving them, you back test it, you are very sure of it, everything. So that's what will make you to get what you want. I think I'm almost done for today. So let me go. Before I go, let me repeat the trading plan rules. Number 1, trade with the trend. Number 2, trade with an area of value. And number 3, which is the last one, trade with a high most likely scenario with the 2 conditions mentioned earlier. So if you obey this rule, if you obey these rules for this trading plan and you apply this my strategy to it, you can use any other strategy you have there. I'm not saying you must use my strategy for it, but as far as I'm concerned, it's better if you use my strategy. So if you use it and combine, you see now the market is still going. I did not close my trade, see, from $3 to $19. I know what I'm saying, and I know why I did not close the position. I know the market direction. I know where the market is heading to. I know all the confluences attached the market, from up to down, left, right, back and front, everything. So this is AGFRS. We give value here, and we absolutely give that value for free. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe.
عسرا قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى